Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a device that is already sending shockwaves through the Apple and Samsung headquarters. This phone hasn't even hit the shelves yet, and it's already causing a total meltdown in the industry. Now, be honest, are you one of those people who still thinks you need a bulky DSLR to get a real photo? Do you think phones are just for selfies and everything else is just marketing hype? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. Sony, the literal kings of camera sensors, is about to drop a smartphone that might just make you list your professional camera gear on eBay tomorrow. We're talking about the Sony Xperia Pro 2. This is the name that's going to be dominating your feed for the rest of the year. I've rounded up the 5 massive reasons why this phone is a certified DSLR killer and an absolute performance beast. Let's get into it. The display. First things first, you have to see this screen to believe it. Imagine a display that actually looks better than that $2,000 4K HDR TV in your living room. Sony is packing a 6.82-inch 4K HDR OLED panel into this thing. It's rocking HDR10 Plus support, which means when you're binge-watching Netflix or catching the latest movie trailers on YouTube, the blacks are deeper, the highlights are punchier, and the colors pop like you're sitting in a high-end IMAX theater. And for my gamers out there, this is your new obsession. We're looking at a 120Hz refresh rate with an insane 360Hz touch sampling rate. Whether you're sweat flicking in Call of Duty or exploring Genshin Impact, the response time is instantaneous. No lag, no stuttering, just pure, buttery smooth frames. To top it off, it's got an IP68 rating, so don't sweat it if you're caught in a downpour or spill your drink. Plus, that under-display fingerprint sensor is snappy enough to get you into your phone before you even realize you touched it. But look, that's just the warm-up. The real heavy hitter is next. The camera setup. Now, let's get into the main event. Sony basically looked at the camera industry and decided that carrying a separate bag for your lenses should be a thing of the past. They've shoved a massive 1-inch 50-megapixel primary sensor right into the back of this phone. To put that in perspective, that's the same grade of sensor you find in professional tier compact cameras. Low-light photography, forget about it. This thing sees in the dark better than you do, turning midnight shots into crisp, vibrant images that look like they were shot at golden hour. But Sony didn't stop there. This is a total powerhouse quad setup featuring a 50-megapixel wide, a 48-megapixel ultrawide, and a 64-megapixel telephoto lens capable of 5x optical zoom. The absolute mic drop feature. The rumors of a physical rotating camera mechanism. We're talking about actual moving parts that give you that tactile, granular control over focus and zoom that you usually only get with a DSLR lens. For the creators, you're looking at 4K video at 120 FPS. Whether you're shooting cinematic B-roll or buttery slow-mo, it's going to look like a Hollywood production. And since it features Zeiss T coating, you can say goodbye to those annoying lens flares and ghosting. Toss in a 32-megapixel front camera for your TikToks and Reels, and you've got a studio-grade setup in your pocket. This isn't just a good phone camera, it's a DSLR replacement. The performance. You can't have a camera that powerful without a nuclear reactor under the hood to run it. Sony is pulling zero punches here. The Xperia Pro 2 is set to debut with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the fastest mobile chip on the planet. Whether you're rendering 4K video on the fly, jumping between 20 different apps, or grinding through a pro-level gaming tournament, this phone is going to handle it without breaking a sweat. We're talking 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and a massive 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. You'll have more than enough speed to keep things snappy and all the room you need for your massive library of 4K footage and heavy-hitting games. On the software side, it's launching straight onto Android 16. Sony is also promising 3 years of major OS updates and 4 years of security patches, so this isn't just a powerhouse today, it's built to last. Battery life. With all that high-end tech, you're going to need some serious juice. Sony is loading this with a 6000 mAh battery. That is massive. We're talking all day, all night power. You can head to work, shoot content all afternoon, game all evening, and you'll still have plenty of battery left when you hit the pillow. And when you finally do need to plug in, the 66-watt fast charging will get you from 0 to over 80% in about 30 minutes. Oh, and it's got 50-watt wireless charging too, so you can ditch the cables and still top up in no time. Price and launch date. Alright, let's talk numbers. What is this going to cost you? The leaks are pointing toward a price tag of around $1,500 here in the States. Now, I know what you're thinking, that's a lot of cash. But think about what you're actually getting. A pro-grade 4K display, a literal DSLR sensor, the world's fastest chip, and a marathon battery. When you stack that up against the iPhone 16 Pro Max, or the Samsung S26 Ultra, Sony is actually giving you way more specialized tech for the money. If you're a creator, this might actually be the affordable option compared to buying a phone and a professional camera. As for the launch date, Sony is playing it close to the chest, but we're expecting a drop toward the end of this year or very early next year. Stay tuned, because as soon as we get a confirmed date, I'll be dropping a video immediately. The Sony Xperia Pro 2 looks like the real deal, a total industry disruptor. From the display to the optics, it's a beast in every sense of the word. But I want to know what you guys think. Are you ready to ditch the DSLR for good? Does the idea of a rotating camera lens on a phone excite you, or is it just too much? Let me know in the comments.